for renting and yeah. But the software for renting vehicles, like everything. It can be renting scooters, motorcycles, boats, and etc. So today, the meeting is very simple, like to understand your goals, guys, because we working worldwide as well. We have few customers from Malaysia. So Wahi, can you give me short, brief information, like what you're searching right now, right? And what is the main goal, like you looking for the Rentsyst? So I will better build my presentation to you according to these needs.
Okay, my company Go Greenmatic, we now only car and motorbike booking platform. We don't own a car or motorbike, but under my company, I have about 1,700 car owner supplier. So they can do marketing and then use my platform to rent their car. But our problem now is, let's say we have about 1,000 car owner, and then everyone got 10 vehicles. So 10 multiple to 1,000, we got maybe 10,000 vehicles. So now they do marketing and then they ask in the WhatsApp group, Telegram group. So not practical.
Yeah, it's taking a lot of time to manage all this stuff. So clear. Yeah, but tell me about the partners Hyper, right? So you have the same business operation processes or a bit another?
A bit different. Hyper, they own the car. And then last time they have about 150 units. So under Hyper, they got agent. But now Hyper, they don't do business anymore. So all the agents,
we know.
My company to support them to manage things.
Okay, so let me just demonstrate for you then my screen.
All right.
Just a second. Okay. Okay. Let me know when you will see it. Okay.
Sure. Yes, I can see.
Okay, so this is the Rentsyst. Basically, I will show you the basics, what we actually do, and how Rentsyst can be useful for your needs. First of all, that the software is cloud-based. So it means that it's working from the cloud, from any device. Let me show you. So right now we working on a notebook, right, on a laptop. It can be automatically resized, adapt to your resolution for the screen, for the tablets, for the screen of the smartphones. So you can see it's easy, adaptive to any device. So the benefit, like you can work from the smartphone from any place, not needed to sit at the office all the time. It's fully adaptive to your device. So it's always on the pocket, like we like to say. Also, Rentsyst can be flexible, customized according to business needs of any company, because we have the wide variety of options to choose. Let me show you what I mean here. So we have the engine inside the Rentsyst about the settings. So this is where you will need to start and set up your business model. I mean, you can see type of vehicle, business model, type of verification. So different businesses can work in different way, right? So someone work only with the cars, someone work renting with the bikes, and so on. So here you can need to choose, for instance, your side. Your scenario will be bikes. Bikes, it's a general category for two-wheel vehicles, scooters, motorcycles, everything that have two wheels, right? The next, you can also choose like business model, rental, or leasing. It's approximately the same, but leasing for the long-term renting, and so on. So this is where Rentsyst provide the possibility to adapt to your business needs, right? And we have a lot of features inside. Today, the meetings, it's just a quick preview, like demonstration of main options to better understand if it's suited for your car, for your needs, and so on. So here we also have advanced settings. It's about modules, which you can activate or disable, right? So according to your needs, you can have, for instance, agreement invoice, like electronically sign up with your customers. so no need to paper anymore. You can also have personal cabinet for users. That's your customers, so the guys who are renting the bikes from your site, right? Basically, we provide like the admin panel for bookings, for reservations. Can you give me a feedback how you manage it right now? So as I understand, you are the booking platform, right, with a lot of small companies which is provide their vehicles on your platform, right? And there is going the booking process, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in that case, we can offer you two scenarios how you can automate process with Rentsyst. First of all, I guess this will be more convenient for you. So first of all, you will need to have inside the Rentsyst, inside this account, all your agents, or at least the main agents with the vehicle. So it means that if you have, for instance, 100 partners with own vehicles, right, you will need to add them inside here to have a possibility to manage everything about that processes. Okay. The second scenario will be much simpler for you, but in that case, every agent need to go inside Rentsyst and has own account inside Rentsyst. So it's like the network of accounts of Rentsyst inside. So that's how simply can be done your process. I'm not sure which you will be using the best, because Rentsyst is designed not for the booking platforms like you are. It's mostly designed for rental companies in one phase, in one company. There is an option to set. Yeah.
If the supplier choose option number 2, mean they register account, is it possible for them to see another supplier vehicles in the account?
Yes, maybe the best way here will be like to make a test drive of the software, to add few agents and see how it goes. Just let me continue then brief demonstration of the software, and in 5 minutes I will show you the network of agents, how it can be done for you, and how you can easily track like fleet for different partners, for different locations, and select a reservation from different partners as well. So here the main idea, like I said, you can activate, disable some of the modules. You can track from the most important part. You can also track maintenance expenses for the vehicles. You can also set up your reservation checklist. Let me show reservation checklist. This is the powerful tool which allow you to have a check boxes. For instance, system will automatically remind you to check drive license, to check the damages for the vehicle, add odometer, fuel level before reservation starts, and very popular option, check the damages. You can see it's here after rental was over. So basically, this is like automation for reservation process. The next is about location delivery. So this is where you need to build your network for locations. It means that we are located in Cyprus, so you can see Cyprus map here, right? And basically, you can see 3 locations, right? 1, 2, 3, and you can see working area. You can disable it, draw it from the scratch. So this is the coordinates, which means that your working area located inside this square. And location, in that case, first model about how to build agent network here. Location, it's the coordinates on the Google map where a customer can get the vehicle for the renting and return the vehicle as well. So it's like pick up and drop off area, right? The first location can be your location, your office, right? The second and another location, you can have any amount of locations, can be applied for different agents, for instance. It's just my suggestion, right? And you can apply your vehicles for different locations as well. So for instance, this is the fleet page. You can see Aston Martin, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, they are located only in one place. So when the customer on the website or manually you will add a reservation, if you will search the vehicle inside Larnaca HQ, this vehicle will not show because they are located on another place. So basically you can apply different fleet for different location, and depending from the preferences of the customer, the system automatically show you availability of these vehicles. Let's try to make a test reservation to show you how it works. So we have the button add reservation. So I have 11 cars, you can see 11. But when I start working with the dates, for instance, in November, apply, you can see I have only 3 vehicles, which is available to the booking. So depending from my pickup location, when I change to Metropolis, you can see now it's 4. Limassol also 3. Availability generate automatically depending from my timeline, from my fleet availability. So let me make it wider. So this is the this is the page with the schedule of your cars. It's a small fleet, only 11 cars, but you can scroll down like this one, up and down to make it wider, zooming like this one. Dates can be wider or smaller. So basically you can see my availability, and from here you can also make some actions like prolong the dates or change the order for the another dates. System will double ask you. You can also prolong it from here, and you can see colors means different statuses. So the purple one, it means that it's reserved, it's confirmed for reservation, make a prepayment from the customer side and ready to go. The blue one, it's only like it's not qualified lead, not qualified request, that the customer only say send a request or email to you that yes, I want to make a rental, but not confirmed yet, right? So when you set prepayment, for instance, for the customer, it's becoming to the next stage, going like in a purple stage. The orange one, it's the renting. So basically it means that the vehicle right now on the rental stage. And this one, the bright orange, it's a vehicle on the service under the maintenance tab. Okay. So let's go for, we have a lot of feature there. Season and tariff, you can automate your pricing, like have different season models for summer, winter, or another model. Period means price will be becoming cheaper with the dates or weeks. The more days, the more weeks renting, the cheaper price automatically comes. You can also build your features for equipment, services, insurances. Any amount of them can be available. Customize company information. So this is again the question for you guys, how you build your agreement process with the customers. I mean, if customer renting the vehicle on your platform in one customer, how they receive the agreement, from which name, the name of your company or the name of the guys they are renting from?
Name my company.
Okay, cool. So this was where you can add your logo, add your company template for agreement. It's fully automated. You can also use clips, first name, last name, so you can put this data anywhere and system automatically put customer driver information inside agreement, like Dear Valerian or Dear Vahi, so it will be automatically set up there. Electronic signature can be also put it there. You can also share the access to the system. This is exactly a feature that can be using for you, for your team, for your partner. So if you choose first scenario, like you can have general one account for more with all partners inside, you can simply share the access to them here, like add the group, for instance, name the group. It can be name of your partner. And there's like a lot of options that you can give the access for these guys. So for instance, only check the orders, not change anything, but only like to see the information, right? Payments, vehicles, contact, and so on. You can also automate notification and templates. It can be done for customer, for your team as well. A lot of options there. Templates about order. So it will be automatically go for customer email about order details. The next reservation checklist I show, discounts, it's very simple there. Maintenance, so again, you can simply track and automate your maintenance reminder. Let's say every 5,000 kilometers or miles, you need to make some diagnostic for the vehicles, for the scooters. So system automatically tell you that, for instance, when this mileage will come to 0, system will like signal you, and you will know for sure that you will need to make a diagnostic. And finally, the last step for settings, which is mostly interesting for this case, it's about integration and agents. So agents, right now you can see I have 4 agents. This is the channels from which you can receive the orders. Basically, how it works. You can just create the manual agent inside, and every time when you receive the order on your platform, you will need to get inside here manually to mark the order from this agent and see information that this order can come from agent. It's manual option, but at the same time, you can also automate it. Every agent can have own unique referral link. It means that own booking page. Do you see booking page, right? So it means that you can also build a booking page for every agent. And let's say you have 10 agents. Every agent will have own booking page. When customer will make a booking here, this order will go for Rentsyst automatically without you. Let me show you the sample. For instance, for the January, we will have more cars, for instance, for 3 weeks. So depending on the dates and vehicle and location, system generate me list of available cars. This is how it can be looks like. Design can be fully customized. The blocks, constructor, filters, everything can be customized according to the design preferences of yours or of your partner. Let's say booking the Maserati. So let's go for Maserati. Step number 3, it's the booking time with the extras, right? So I can select here the option what I want to choose additionally. 0 insurance, for instance. Press continue. Okay. And finally, step number 4, this is the driver information. So I will make it fast for you. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, just a second. I will go in my email to get my one-time code, and I will start screen share again. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we return, you see the booking page, right? Can you see the booking page, right?
Can.
Yeah, okay. So one-time code, when I send it, as a customer, which already exists on your store, you can see the customer can get fast authorization. So you can see the name, surname, drive license automatically uploaded here as well. As a customer, I can also make notes, anything important about, I don't know, flight number, hotel name, and so on. I can use the promo codes, and I can use the payments operation as well. For Malaysia, we planned in the future to integrate Razor payments. I don't know if you're using this one or no.
I use PayPal now.
Okay, PayPal. Okay, so PayPal also can be using right now, right? So how this feature works, you can see the amounts. I selected prepayment size for 20%, right? You can see information here. To confirm the reservation, you will need to pay prepayment 20%. So when I go for booking, the system automatically generate me 20% of this amount. It can be also done automatically. So right now you can see the price, you can see the vehicle order, and I can make a payment by Google Pay or simply add my card here inside and make a transaction. So after all this operation, as you can see, it's very fast, easy to do. And basically you are, as a business, just receive a ready-made order. Here it is, Maserati, same information, same order. So all you will need to do is just to get, you can see the status reserved. You can see action added, so you can go inside to check the details. And basically it's fully automated process how you can collect automatically all the reservation from your partners, from the customers of theirs. So basically you can have like referral link for every agent, then they can share this link for the customers and make a quick booking. So you will receive the order inside. You can see count of days, the price. If you need something to change, for instance, let's say a customer want to make a discount or something like that, you can also have the option set custom price. For instance, you can see the price for the vehicle is 4K. You select the vehicle price, and let's say you update it for 3K, right? So you select it like this one. The old price will be old, and you can see the new price. Right. The next, you can also validate and check the customer details. So it's the picture, the logo, but it's the picture of the vehicle, of the customer, sorry. Driver information details, like details about documents. Next, the options, like your equipment, your insurances. You can make some upselling here, cross-selling, and payments. So you can see the payment which was generated automatically by system. Same can be done by PayPal as well. And in case customer will make a pay, let's try to pay. You can see there is like rebalance automatically calculated that this is a subtotal, this is the paid amount, and your balance, which is not paid, calculated like this one. So you will be always on track for the payment transaction. You will be fully controlled for payment operation. Is it paid or not? Is the customer own your money or not? Deposits and many more. And from here, you can also make a refund, which is also cool, but so you don't need to work with separate software. Refund working only with integration. It's I mean automatically, right? For card payments, for PayPal, it can be done automatically. And finally, option number four, the final option for every order, it's the document. So you can simply generate invoice here. Click this button to send by email to customer. Click this one to check the invoice, how it looks like. Same for agreement. So generate agreement, check how it looks like. The map with the damages. In your case, there will be like the motorcycle map, agreement text. And finally, customer can sign up automatically from any device like this one. And you can click, you click save. So basically, when the order is come and confirm, you can see it's starting from January 11. You can also have the option called daily plan. And on January 11, the system will automatically show you this task. You can see January 11. You can see the same task, that so you will not miss it. You can manage it, or your team can manage it. You can, again, you can share the access for the partners, let them do all the work instead of you, so you can just operate like a global administrator for the whole network. So yeah, so that's the quick review about the options for your scenario. Can you give me a briefly feedback, like how do you feeling about these options? Like maybe have any questions more about the software, so I will show you more.
Okay, number one, is it possible my company register this system and then under my account, I don't know, you call agent or branch, what we call under sub account? Is it agent?
Sub account possible. It's called sub company. This is where sub company. So generally, this functionality needed only. Let's activate it. only for to separate documentary part. You can have, like, when you create sub company, it can be done also created another company here. So you can see this is my main company, and company number 2 has different agreement, different signature, different bank details. So only for this target. You can have the branches. Let me show you. For instance, on if we go for reservation, you can have filters there. Filters, and you can select it by company, sub company, your main company or number 2. When I click number 2, I can have the list of all my orders registered for another company. Right, same for the agent. You can select it. Let's refresh it. Same for the agent. You can have agent list as well. I will click refer link sample, and I will see exactly orders received from referral agent. If I go for statistic as well, I will have the option to filter by dates, and also grouping by location, by the group, or by the agent. So I have free agent. You can see exactly count of orders, count of income, expenses, and equal profit. So again, my recommendation is play around with the software, get inside to create some test vehicles, to create some agents inside to check it how it works, and how can be how to better manage the separate processes for every agent. We call it agent because the branch is only the location where vehicle is situated, where vehicle available for the booking. But at the same time, you can apply location for different agents as well, or create the manager applicable only for this location. So managers, it's about sharing the access for the software inside the admin panel. Manager, right? When you add the group, you can have it like orders by location. So when you select this option, it means that all managers inside location A will see all information related to location A. They will not see B location, C location, orders from there, vehicles from there. They will not see it because it's closed information. So you can see I have 3 managers, number 1, number 2, number 3. So it means that, again, this manager will see only all tasks related to this location, the branch. Okay. Do you have any questions more?
Okay, I just confused between manager, agent, and different, because
it's very similar. Yeah, it's very similar. Let me describe you the difference, the main difference roles. Usually agents, it's the partners, right? So separate company who has own business processes, and you have like some partnership, right? So this is the agent. They also can have access inside Rentsyst, but only to check, only to see information, and that's it. Manager, usually it's internal. In your scenario, it can be team for Go Green metrics, right? So this is your team that you are have like good relationship. You you can provide them access inside your managing business processes, right? But with a limited access. So these managers can operate, can check the orders, open and close the orders, change payment statuses, and so on. Like help you to operate the managing of all the processes. So partners is the agents, your team is the managers. But at the same time, if you have very good relationship with the partners, you can create them also separate manager, because managers has more options to to work with Rentsyst. More flexible customization of permissions.
Is it possible for managers they can see all the vehicle, let's say all over Malaysia? Let's say the manager stay in Kuala Lumpur, but they can see vehicle in Sabah, Sarawak, all over Malaysia, and then make booking, and then they can make a
yes.
commission.
If you will add all the vehicles that you have from all the partners, of course they will see. Yeah, you can see 11 cars, right? So basically you can open the access for this list for all 11 cars, or if you applicable only for Larnaca, right? The guys only see the vehicles applicable for Larnaca. So Aston Martin, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, they will be hidden from the list. Or you can open the all list. So up to you. Well, yes, it's possible to do.
Is it possible if my company register account and then the manager they have a sub account and then they can upload all the vehicle that they have in the system? Or
yes, we have
company
automatically import for.
Is it possible?
Yeah, we have.
Continue.
Sorry, the question is, the question about import the vehicle inside the system.
Yes. Is it possible the manager to upload the vehicle in the system?
Possible with our help. So we can share with you fleet import template with the necessary columns like brand name, vehicle color, year of producibility. So you will need to mark it on Excel, and we will upload it for you. It's this feature available for free if you have more than 100 cars.
Okay.
So it's like better to make a massive import one time or maybe a few times instead like make it like 10 by 10 cars, right? Because it's a bit make it take longer process.
So if
yeah,
to upload the vehicle, actually only the main account, not the manager, agent, and the branch.
Yes, the main account. Managers cannot upload anything. Like the main administrative features, the full access is only have administrators. So you will, as admin, you will need to manage everything. Yeah, managers only can help, but it's you can clone the same access, like create a double administrator. This is like it's not available for security measures. So we care to your business, so better to have one administrator.
Okay, I mean, I have a admin. So if I give them a Google form and then they fill in, and then my admin can upload the detail in the system, right?
No, you just transfer this file to our team, and our developer can make it for you.
Okay, sure, good.
You can see the vehicle export bottom here, export. You can export it from Rentsyst to you, right, in Excel, but not vice versa. If you want to make it from your side inside Rentsyst, then you need to make a request to us, and we will make it for you for free.
Okay, next question is the fee. Actually, if my company register, the payment from my company, right? And then let's say I got 10 supplier. One supplier maybe got 10 vehicle, another supplier got 20, maybe another supplier 50. Is it possible the system charge to the supplier, or I need to collect the money and then pay to the Rentsyst?
Yeah, the point is that we are working on a SaaS model, so it means subscription point. You can go with us by monthly or annual type. So it means month by month, system will charge you automatically according to your count of vehicles. Let me show you my account settings. So everything is very simple here. Rentsyst automatically track everything about your count of vehicles and count of tracker devices. So I have 11 cars. My tariff will be beginner. It's cost 39 euro. It's a fixed price per month for 15 cars. Let me jump to tarification. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is the tariff plans. It's a fixed price from 0 cars to 15 cars. In your case, you can see that we have standard price, which is becoming cheaper and cheaper depending of your count of vehicles. So let's say first month that you will start with us, you will have like only 100 cars, right? So your tariff will be €2 per vehicle, right? But every time when you will growing, you will have the cheaper price, right? So let's say you have 150 cars, right? 150 cars, it will be cheaper and cheaper. And in your case, if you say that you have more than 1,000 cars, then you will go for enterprise. It's the exclusive tariff plan, which is automatically calculated depending from your count of rates. So I believe that there will be very, very good price for you for 1,000 vehicles. And there is no limitation. Like you can see branches unlimited, managers access unlimited, agents only also unlimited. We can also make some onboarding for you, for your team, for your managers, which is recommended in case you have the big company and the big team, which need to teach how to work with Rentsyst. It's the one-time payment. And below you can see calculator. So again, if you have it like 100 cars, right, this is your tariff for months. This is for the year. It's with a 10% discount. So when you jump into annual, you can see the prices even go more cheaper. So 10% for annual price, and every month it's going like flexible recalculation. So again, if you have it like this month 50 cars, you will go for this tariff. Next month, if you're jumping like over than 100 cars, system recalculate you to this tariff. If you again reduce your vehicles to this amount, system will give you the discount, right? And it will be like automatically recalculated. You can see billing history, so you can go inside invoice and check your rates, check your description, terms of subscription, and you can see your tarification. There is also taxes. You can see here it's 90% plus, but for Malaysia there will be the zero tax because it's taxes for the European Union. So you will have without the taxes. So basically, yeah, answering to your questions, depending of the count of vehicles that you will add to the system inside your main account to Rentsyst, there will be your tarification.
Is it possible if I choose the second option, mean all the supplier they register the account and then all the bill they pay, but everybody
they bill by themselves.
Can see all the vehicle under my group. Is it possible?
No. Because there is no way to connect to account. It will be possible, but in case you will duplicate the fleet for few accounts. So it means you can have in your account your cars and partners' cars, but again, why to pay for them? Why you need to pay for the billing for these cars, right? So that's why we provide like two scenarios. The first one, you collect inside, upload all database of all the vehicles of all partners, but you will need to pay for the Rentsyst inside. But again, you can split this payment between your partners as well. Simple to manage. Second scenario, you can have your main account and on the same time recommend for other partners to connect to Rentsyst and manage everything inside their own account. So let them pay by themselves for own vehicles for their own fleet size. That's the solution for you. So yeah, unfortunately, there is like only 2 scenario.
Okay, for I see for the payment, car rental payment, the currency is euro. Can we
Yeah,
change to
sure.
Malaysia ringgit?
Yeah, Malaysia ringgit, of course. This is all related to locations in settings, so you can jump it to advanced settings, and you can see here, you can see, choose system currency, choose your time zone, use metric system, date format, Malaysia ringgit also, we have it. So we have a lot of, here it is, Malaysian ringgit. So you just select it here, it will be main currency inside the system. Yeah. So like I said, we provide flexible tools. And basically when you start to work with Rentsyst, main recommendation is to pay some attention for settings, because from here, starting all business process, like location, where you're located, motorcycles, type of tarification, currency, everything. So
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
Okay. I think
we also have the tracker devices, but I'm not sure if this feature will be works for you for these scooters, right? So just for your information that, let me go here. Just a quick information that we have this feature, maybe for future, it will be also interesting for you. So it's about the possibility to track the vehicles, right? So you can see here the map, right? And you can see these icons with the vehicles inside. So it's like the real-time tracking where the vehicles is located. So in case this feature can be useful, it can be also installed for motorcycles or scooters. Yeah. Okay, so I guess this is it, or you have any questions left?
Okay, if my partner, they have their own GPS tracker, and then they want to link GPS tracker, they just put IMEI number.
Yeah, IMEI number, that's correct, but only with Teltonika trackers. Unfortunately, there is no way to install any type of trackers. It's Teltonika trackers, the guys which is working worldwide. This is their company, our partner. So Fleet Telematics, right? Yeah, we can provide you these trackers as well, or you can buy it by themselves, by your site. We provide full documentary process, full connection process, and full instructions.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I will then finish my demonstration. Yeah. Wahid, thank you for your time. I hope this was useful for you. The next steps, I will send you follow-up to your email to highlight the things that we talked about today. Yes, and we'll be waiting for your next steps. Like on WhatsApp, we can chat and discuss about the next steps with you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, thank you very much. See ya.
Okay,
Cheers.
okay, thank you.